Every day is Christmas here at Platform Garage. The UPS guy just came by for his daily rounds, dropped off some bits. I think these are, yeah, these are the OEM replacement bearings for customers S15. So 2 of those. Rear wheel bearings, I think. And then this package here, I think this one's curiously packed. It looks like it's from China. There's 2 more boxes in here. It smells really good. Sample. Hey! Alright, something new for the online store. Little air fresheners. Oh, there's a few in there. Sweet, these are cool. Vanilla scented air freshener. They're available on our store, shop.platformgarage.com, or you can come on down to the store here locally and buy one. Or fly here if you live somewhere else in the world and you can buy one in store. I'd appreciate that. If you live somewhere else really far away, please fly here during all this pandemic craziness, just to buy an air freshener. Don't order it online. Actually, order it online. I don't want you to come here. Bring your COVID here. These smell really good.
That's pretty tight. I'm done.
It's vanilla. It's your favorite.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice though.
Hey guys. Motor's all assembled. Ran into an issue. This was an OBD1 motor that the customer supplied. The car's OBD2, so we had to switch over to the OBD2 oil pump. So we had our crank pickup. Motor's all assembled, old valve covers on just for putting it in the car so we don't scratch up the other one that they supplied. And that's where I'm at. So yeah, made the OBD1 crankcase breather plug so we can just use the OBD2 breather right off the valve cover.
Just doing some valve cover gaskets and an oil pan gasket on this 2.5 liter EJ. It's NA, not turbo, not too exciting, but it's still an EJ, so it's something. Oh look, the connector is right there. Oh weird. You know, you go down with the car and it takes a matter of 2 seconds to unplug. Weird. Oh, here we go with the map sensor now. Wow, people are gonna have no respect for me for not being able to unplug stuff. This sucks. What is this holding? Absolutely. There we go. Ben struggling with a Subaru.
Well, you know, this thing's, it's got some mods. It's got this Yakima, kayak rack on it. You know, that's a mod.
Kayak rack.
It is a wagon too, another mod.
That's my favorite thing when it just spins, and so then you need to like get another tool to get it to stop spinning. And
Hey.
alright, keep going. Okay. Two. Getting PCV lines off. That's pretty fun. You gotta be very careful with them. You know, they see a lot of heat, get really old and crusty. You gotta be gentle. I was very gentle, it came off nicely. Subarus aren't as bad as people say. They're not that annoying. They can be annoying, they're not that annoying. I'm feeling really hungry because it's like almost 2:30, I think, and I haven't eaten lunch yet.
It's his own choice that he hasn't eaten lunch yet, all right?
Yeah, he's not telling me.
not a bad employer!
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Remember what I said, they're fun. They're really good. I'm a very happy person. You know, this is making me very happy. The fact that this valve cover is just not having a good time getting out. I need a bolt. I don't have enough room in between the frame rail and the motor to squeeze out the valve cover, so I'm just supporting it, jacking it up, sort of thing, with this little bardigan. Just gonna pop her up a little bit. Maybe I should take lunch and get a fresh mind.
Yeah, maybe.
Because like, this is, it does not fit at all. It does not leave the engine bay. I was gonna.
The engine mount's undone?
Yeah, I was gonna do a hoist, but every time I do, these fucking things start coming off the strut towers. So maybe it's just me sucking. I don't know.
You're annoying, man. Always with the camera.
Okay, I think we're gonna do a lunch. So.
Yeah, I'm starving.
Yeah.
Don't forget, check the link in the description. Cop yourself a new air freshener. They smell delicious. It's a vanilla Jelly Belly scent. It's really nice. One sec. Hello? Hey, how's it going? Yeah, that's, hold on. Sorry, I gotta take this.